Hello everyone, this is Prashanta. Welcome to the channel. So yesterday, if you see, if you want to know, these are the previous video of this series. Okay, in last class we day 8. So we saw about how to how to write a web element, how to store the web element, right? So yesterday we faced one issue. What issue? So even though we gave a proper time node, it's keep on getting failure, right? So today I'm going to take one important topic called WebDriver wait. Okay, so how the Selenium has own wait. So because in real time when you move to one page, that page takes, each field takes time to load their element like image, button or something. Okay, so the same way we also need to stop until the web element is enabled, the button is enabled or image display. Okay, so for that we cannot put a static wait. So that's not a static wait. So we need to put a dynamic wait based upon the website response that will react. Okay, today I'm going to implement the WebDriver wait. So for this we want to import two things. First one is we want to import from Selenium. This is from Selenium dot WebDriver. From this WebDriver I'm going to use the support. So this is support. Generally we will get two things. One is UI. In this UI we need to import the WebDriver wait. The same way from another one, Selenium, same Selenium dot WebDriver dot support. In the support we need to get the import the, see this, except condition, but this is very bigger. So I want a short name for this, allies, right? I'm putting easy. Okay, this bigger thing. So this is a small short name, but this is the from support we are taking the expected condition. Okay, so where we are facing the issue, we are facing the issue in this portion, like the search box is not displaying even though we gave a high time also. So here only I'm going to update. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to comment this one. Okay, now same name I'm going to use it. Okay, search box equal to, from the, I'm doing a WebDriver wait method. So this is WebDriver wait method. In this WebDriver method I want to pass two things. One is driver, then next one I want to pass the what is a timeline. So how much time? So if I give a 30 means it wait for 30 seconds. Okay, 30 seconds. Here the until condition, until I'm saying the condition, until what is the thing, the expected condition easy, we put easy, right? Until the expected condition. If I put dot, see here there are so many things are coming, like element to element attribute to include, element locate to be selected, element to be selected. Okay, and see this there are the presence of the element located. There are some things. So here I'm going to verify presence of located. So I'm locating one thing, but I'm waiting for that location. Okay, so here I'm putting one by condition. In this by dot, by, right, the same thing I'm copying from here, I'm pasting here. I didn't do anything, simply copying this one and pasting because it reduces our overall timeline. That's the one. Okay, see this by dot id, and that's it. Okay, got it, right? Search box WebDriver wait for the driver for 30 seconds until my expected condition presence of located by id and so on. So now what I want to do, simply I click on this search box. Even I don't think the search box will click needed, we'll see, and I'm going to type the search like chat. Okay, cool, right? So now I'm going to run the script. Okay, so it started. Okay, so the new script has started. So where in the WebDriver wait we need to use, like where the web element takes dynamic time. Suppose it will come soon, sometime it comes for 5 seconds, 10 seconds later, means we cannot put a hard-coded wait. So hard-coded wait makes our entire test shoot as a bigger size. So to stop that, so what we can do is we can use a dynamic wait. So this dynamic wait, what will do, this will wait for the action based upon the action of the website. See this, it's done, right? So this is how it will be. Okay, so it's waited for a couple of minutes. See this, 1 second, 2 seconds, 3 seconds, 4 seconds, 5 seconds, 7 seconds, 8. In the 9th second it's got that web element. You understand, right? In the 9th second it started, then it's without any failure it's ran. So this is how it will be real time. Okay, sometimes our web element takes time, so we can't able to predict. Initially I put 5 seconds, right? But right now it is taking 9 seconds. Sometimes it takes only 1 second. So I'm not able to keep on change the wait like 5, 10. Better we can go to the dynamic wait like WebDriver wait. So this will act very smartly, and our test case never get failed. Okay, so that is the use. So if you have any doubts on the WebDriver wait, like how to implement any or if you're facing any issues while implementing, please let me know. Okay, we saw the basic things of WebDriver wait, right? Generally there are 3 waits. Okay, I will tell you. One is implicit wait. Why I showed this in first place means it will give you the impact of what is the use case, right? Implicit wait. So this implicit wait is overall wait for the entire session. Okay, in the session, if we see this is the one web element, this is the one, and this is the one, this is the one. There are so many web elements. So this implicit wait is only will use on first time. Okay, when I'm going to first time to this app means that time I want to use driver dot implicitly wait. This is the seconds, like this will wait overall 10 seconds for all the elements in the session. Okay, that is called implicit wait. Okay, and the whatever we put WebDriver wait, right? This is the explicit wait, generally explicit. Okay, there are 2 things. One is explicit. Okay, so previously I told you implicit, right? This is explicit. In explicit there are two things is there. This is the WebDriver wait, WebDriver, and another one is Fluent. Okay, there are 3 things. Okay, so just now I talked about implicit wait, what are the uses and how to implement, right? And in the WebDriver wait, already mentioned how to implement, how super this is, like to make dynamic. This is a dynamic one. Okay, this is dynamically waits. Okay, and the other wait is time.sleep. This is the Python basic wait. Okay, don't use it, but this is the basic of. So sometimes it's emergency, it will work. Time.sleep, whatever I used previously, right? This is the hard coded wait. This will don't wait for the element. This is stop, only stop. 2 seconds means 2 seconds stop on a 30 second line. And now go to the Fluent wait. What is a Fluent wait? What is the difference between WebDriver wait and Fluent wait? Suppose in WebDriver wait I put 30 seconds means that the entire 30 seconds this is searching for the element and waiting and searching for the element. The Fluent wait has one additional concept. The same, it work like a same, but what is the additional concept is I'm copying the same thing. Okay, I'm copying the same thing, I'm commenting it, I'm pasting here. In this I put driver and 30 seconds, right, for normal WebDriver wait. In Fluent wait we have additional parameter. What is the parameter means? Pool frequency. The frequency, suppose I give a 30 seconds means I give 5 means. So first it will check on the 5th second. Next it will check on 10th second. Then it check on the 15th second. So up to 30th, this will test 6 times because 5 into 6 because I give frequency of every 5 seconds. Okay, that is the pool wait. Okay, so this is called because the pool frequency. This is what time 30 seconds I want to wait, but I want to search on every 5 seconds only. But in WebDriver wait, every 30 seconds I will check. Okay, that is the only difference because this will make what is the advantage of Fluent wait is the performance will be good. Our system won't be too much noisy. This will reduce the time gap. That's a full frequency, every frequency. Next one is ignore exception. Suppose I'm telling you this exception will come, you can just reduce it or ignore it. Means we can do that. So what is that exception means? Suppose I have import selenium common dot exceptions import such element. Okay, so this is one of a exception. Even we saw that no such element exception will occur. Okay, yesterday I showed on the previous one. So I'm telling that code to see this is exception. You just ignored it. Like see this when I show in the previous code. So it will every time it such. If you see the thread of that one, you will get understand like no such element. Okay, no such element. So this is called the exception. This is also one of exception type. But if we want to know so many exceptions, that is very important because in real time, from. Okay, so this is the so many exceptions in Selenium. So you want to know each one of them. So I'm telling here So please ignore this exception. If this exception occurs, please ignore it. So what are the parameters we want to put? We want to put pool frequency and ignore exception addition to this field. Okay, totally 4 fields. This is the driver we are passing, this is the overall time we are waiting, and this is the full frequency, and this is the ignore exception. Okay, this is the fluent wait. Fluent wait. Okay, this is the, so in interview you want to say one is time.sleep, this is the default wait, it won't wait for the code, it will wait for stop the code. And implicit wait, this is need to use on the initial time. 2, this is for all the web elements in the session. Then WebDriver wait, this WebDriver wait is the overall dynamic wait, this wait for certain time limit for certain condition. Okay, and fluent wait also work like a same like a explicit wait, but this have additional 2 parameter. One is pool frequency, what's the interval between each search, and ignoring exception like something is comes. Okay, so this is the overall times. If you face any issues or any doubts, please put me on this one, so I will cover the other things in the next coming videos. Thanks for watching, and if you like the video, please like and share to your friends. Tell me what I want to improve.